Good morning, friends. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to prepare fish curry. So yeah, I have take 3 cloves of garlic, ginger, and 3 pieces of red chili, and I have to 2 pieces of kacham means it's a sourness. So I have soaked in the water. So with the same water, I'll put in the fish. It will be full of spicy and will be full. The fish curry will be in red tint colors, like not food. I will not put any food colors, but it will be. I'll put full of spices. Okay, let's see. So I have poured oil in the pan. So the oil is heat. So first I'll put vinaigrette seed little, a light, not half spoon. It's a little I have put. Okay. Then I'll take a half spoon of mustard seed. Fish has been washed nicely, so it's not full. I will take only little for fish curry, then I will remaining fish I will fry. So you can see now it's already ready. So I'll put the garlic, ginger, so first I'll put garlic, coriander leaf, or coriander, half spoon of 1 spoon of fish masala, red chili, 4 spoon of red chili, mix it well. In a low flame we should cook. The aroma smell is nice, it's full spicy. So yes, now I'll put that which I already soaked this sourness water with this. I'll pour it. Uh, 3 glass of 3 glass no 3 cup of water. Sorry guys. And now I'll put salt. So now I'll make it in a high flame, so till the water is boiled properly, then only after that I'll put the fish. I'll wait till the water getting boiled, then only I'll put the fish. Now the water is all boiled, so I'll put the fish here. So I'll cook for around 2 minutes.